How to change your home screen on an iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In order to change your home screen on an iPhone, you want to be able to do it directly through the settings. Now, I don't know why iPhone has made it this way or Apple has made it this way, but what you'll need to do is first lock your iPhone. Now, then turn it on. Now, remember not to unlock it right away. So step away, make sure that face verification doesn't turn it on, then tap and hold on your screen. Then it'll ask you unlock to edit. Just tap on it here, tap and hold on it, and then proceed to leave it here. So as you can see, once you tap and hold on it, it'll ask you for passcode or your face lock. After that, you can proceed to either use face code or pass lock, and you'll be headed over to this page. Now from here you can proceed to tap on plus and choose other icons here that is available, or choose from the default ones here and then proceed to set it as your default one, and your home screen and lock screen both will be changed. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.